What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. So we're back here again with another carbang, mukbang, whatever you want to call it. And I'm super freaking excited. But before we get started with anything, let's take a couple seconds and go and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's take this couple seconds. Awesome. Thank you so much. So, really quick, how are you? What's going on? How's your week been? I hope everyone's had a great week so far. And guess what we're eating, y'all? You guessed it. Boba. Bubble tea. And then I got some mozzarella sticks. I got spring rolls. And I also got their basil chicken, popcorn chicken. I think that's what it is. So let's get going. Let's start eating. I wanted to talk about like this crazy thing that I heard going on. Like, okay. So I wanted to talk about this thing I'm hearing. There is a boba shortage. I've heard it a few times. Really quick, this is the brown sugar milk tea. Sometimes they'll call it the Okinawa milk tea. There's brown sugar, roasted brown sugar in here, as well as boba, tapioca, pearls in there. And then I have this one called a strawberry mood. This one has strawberry jelly. Ooh, look at their little heart shapes. That is super cute. Okay. I freaking love boba. And if you guys follow me on my Instagram, which is @GetIscomed, I'll put that right here. If you follow me at GetIscomed, you will see like I'm always getting boba. But I was hearing that there is some kind of like boba shortage. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so good. It's so freaking good, y'all. So yeah, there's this like boba shortage. I think it has a lot to do with like the coronavirus, of course. What's going on is that pretty much there's like boba at the ports, I think is what it is. I get the ports in Los Angeles, the ports in San Francisco. There's a combination of things going on. There's not enough workers to take the shipments off of the ships, and there's shipments that are out at sea waiting. So yeah, it's like I'm hearing this like whole like people are freaking out because like a lot of boba cafes, particularly like the small ones, so spring rolls. So the smaller ones are like a lot of small business boba shops. They order from specific places. Oh gosh. And so those places that they order from are like putting God, I don't even know the words. I'm so sorry. I suck at like all of this like new stuff. I was trying to do as much research as I could, but yeah, I'm obviously not the best at this, but whatever. It is what it is. This is how I do it. This is how I get down. The suppliers that are from Taiwan are putting like a limit on how much you can order. Sweet and sour sauce. And so there's a lot of little small boba shops that are gonna like have boba until like maybe June or July, and they're gonna run out. Boba Guys is a big like a bigger Ooh, hot. Boba Guys is like a bigger business, so they're gonna figure it out, but people were a little bit worried that like we're gonna run out of boba, and they're calling it like a boba-geddon. I was almost gonna drop stuff again. Hello, do we not? Yes. Yeah, so I don't think there's gonna be like, I don't think there's anything to freak out about. It's just the basil popcorn chicken. Oh, I don't think there's anything to freak out about. I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Everyone, don't overreact. There's enough boba to go around, and if there isn't, then just order some like jelly options. I got regular sizes today. I usually would get large, but since I'm like getting all this food and talking, I didn't want to get like large. So good. So bomb. Okay, let's try this freaking chicken. The funky chicken, freaky chicken. Ooh. Cold drinks and hot food is not really working with my teeth furs. I like marinara on my cheese sticks, but I didn't have any, so ketchup will do. It's so good, y'all. I'm like noticing that when I edit my videos on this app that I use, I'm like not able to upload it in HD or however 4K. So it's kind of upsetting. I'm gonna see if I can like just make this and not have to edit any of it. Just throw it up. Throw it up, throw it up, throw it up. Mm-hmm. Does anyone out there do you guys like boba? What's your favorite boba spot? Comment below. Pretty bomb. How are you guys liking this like whole setup I got going on today? So look at, I did my hair, I did my makeup, I got ready for y'all. I wore this cute, whatever the heck it is, I got it from Zara. Have me chichis out a little bit more, you know, because sells. And it is what it is. I actually tried, y'all. I put a little bit more effort into making this video for y'all. Cold. Ooh. Anyone else have sensitive teeth? God, I hate that. I hate it so much. Oh man. These spring rolls are alright. Mozzarella sticks are bomb. Popcorn chicken is really good. Super tender. Oh, there we go. There we go. So yeah, man. Guys, y'all, everyone, YouTube, friends. I mean, you know, if we end up having this boba shortage and I go to boba places and they say that they don't have any more tapioca pearls, like, I'm gonna be sad. It's gonna be a sad day, but it's like, the sun will come out again. But I don't think it's gonna happen. And I mean, there probably are places that don't have boba right now, but so far in the Bay Area, like every place that I've gone to has boba and it's been fine. So I don't think we have anything to worry about. There's been an issue with like shortages of like ketchup, you know, like stuff, just like ports, you know, where stuff comes in through the ports, you know, workers, there's not enough workers, there's just stuff is closed off from COVID, you know, y'all, we were in a panorama things are slowly getting back to normal, so it's super cool. Like, super, super cool. Like, actually seeing people at restaurants and seeing people enjoy themselves, and, you know, I understand that this whole situation is real. It's deadly. It's no joke. People are dying. But at the same time, like, we can't continue to live in fear. Our bodies are so, so strong and so powerful, you know. Everything will get back to some kind of a normal, whatever normal that we will all understand. I don't know, you know? God. The popcorn chicken is bomb. Holy moly. Oh my goodness, yeah. But yeah, you know, like, because I do like deliveries for Postmates and Grubhub. I worked all throughout this panorama. When the coffee shop that I was working at, when they closed, I started working for Amazon and doing packing groceries for Amazon. So, like, I've been still living my life and doing the same thing that I was doing before, because I know, like, how my mental health is. And I know, you know, I just know where I can go if I don't continue to stay busy. And stay at the time when everything happened last year, I was in a house with a toddler, my sister, and my dad. And, you know, like, being with family 24/7, if you are not able to leave the house, because not everyone is able to do that, you know. I understand. I'm in a very grateful place to be able to walk out of my house and go for a walk if I needed to, go to the grocery store if I needed to. So yeah, I'm just really, really happy to see everyone, like, living again is where I'm trying to get at before I, like, digress and get onto a whole other tangent, you know. My teeth. But I'm hoping that I don't have to edit this video, y'all, because I really just want to I just really want to upload this, you know, in the beautiful 4K that it is. So I'm gonna close this out. Thank you for eating with me, y'all. Please let me know if you guys, like, love the effort that I put into it. I need the validation. I'm human. My ego needs to be stroked a little bit. And I will see y'all back here next Friday, and we'll eat together, and we'll talk again, and we'll enjoy each other's company and love and all that fun stuff. But with that, I'm going to close this out here, and I'm going to get going and enjoy the rest of my day, and I hope you do too. But go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well at Quieres with the comer, the O being a 0 instead of a O. And yeah, go support your local boba shop, whichever one it is. And I love y'all. I love all of you guys. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Okay. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Okay.